But the idea is when your website is on AMP and you see the Google results, when you click on it, it will not load from the website. It will load from Google. So basically, if it's AMP, Google is caching the results on their server, and the website is loading from Google server. This is why it's so fast. So when people are looking on different advertisements and they're clicking on the link to your website, or they're going from Google results, it's blazing fast. It feels like an app. So I think it's worth for me to spend a little bit more money on AMP. And also because AMP, it's a Google technology, Google, they're not saying it, but you can see that AMP pages are having much better results organically on Google than pages that are not AMP. So those are the reasons that I chose AMP as my technology since 2018 or so. We've been the first company, I think, in Canada or North America that used AMP, and that was when they just Google just started it. I think my team of web developers, it's a different company, not the company that I'm Amazing Business Results. We have a team of AMP developers that are totally unparalleled because we're doing it for so much time, and I'm betting on AMP every day. Thank you very much for watching this session. I'm promoting now my Zoos CRM course. I am giving 50% off to my existing customers that tagged me as a partner. And of course, I'm also giving 50% off to new customers that tagging me as their partner, okay? So thank you very much for watching this session. I will see you in the next one.